Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save your Facebook password in Google Chrome so you can log in faster without typing it in every time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open a new tab or page with all of Chrome's configuration options where you can customize how your browser works and manages your information. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Look for the option labeled Autofill and Passwords and click on it. This section is where Chrome stores all your saved login information, making it easier to access your favorite websites without remembering every password. Within the Autofill and Password section, you'll see an option called Google Password Manager. Click on this option to open Chrome's dedicated password management interface. This is the central hub where all your saved passwords are stored securely and can be accessed across all your devices signed into the same Google account. Once you're inside the Google Password Manager, look for a button that says Add. This button is typically located near the top of the page and allows you to manually add new login credentials for any website. Go ahead and click on it to begin adding your Facebook login information. A form will now appear with several fields to fill out. In the first field, labeled Site, type facebook.com. This tells Chrome which website these credentials belong to, ensuring it suggests the right password when you visit Facebook. Next, move down to the username field and enter your Facebook username or email address. Then, in the password field below it, type in your Facebook password. Make sure you enter these details accurately so Chrome can log you in correctly when needed. After you've filled in all the fields, click the Save button. Chrome will now store your Facebook credentials securely in its password manager, making them available whenever you visit the site. Now, to test if it worked, open a new tab and navigate to facebook.com. When the page loads, you should see Chrome automatically suggest your saved account information in the login fields. You can simply click on the suggestion and Chrome will fill in your username and password instantly, allowing you to log in with just one click. And that's it. Your Facebook password is now saved in Google Chrome, making your login process much faster and more convenient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.